Morning fams, it's day 4. I had a wonderful break yesterday. Today's Monday, but yesterday I just spent it with new friends, old friends and family. Last night my brother Peter and his wife Rachel, when they dropped me back off to the hotel, they said, this is my lunch for today. So baked mussels of coconut cream, onion, curried prawns. Not sure if I'm going to take that one, but I will take this one. I'm going to share it with Savali, see if she wants to eat some food. But sapasui, slightly fukalo. And this one is creamy chicken and pork, which I'll leave. So I'm just going to take this one with me and put it in my backpack and microwave it when I get to the conference. The conference is going really well. It was so good to have that whole day break. The body needs it after doing day 1, 2, 3, because today is day 4. I don't know if I showed you guys this. I brought this from home. It's my caramel latte sachets, my raw sugar sachets, my black tea. So this is what I had before bed and then of course I have my soy milk in the fridge here. And this is a spoon of coffee that I have as well. So I mix that with the sugar and the soy cream. So yeah, so the conference is going really well. But the challenge, like honestly for me, is staying alert, keeping the energy levels, level, that I could sit through the rest of the presentations. The evening before a conference day, it's really important to look through the programs of the next day and then, make a decision on what performances you want to go and sit in. But also, while this is all happening, there's lots of information that you're absorbing, right, and you're taking in. But the great thing about these events is that you're with the researchers who are doing that work, right? And so you see them in morning tea, afternoon tea, or sitting around and you're going, sit next to them, have a really good yarn. But the important thing is that connection with other researchers, hearing their perspectives and how they went about doing their research. But I better start walking. Alright, I'm here. The first session is about Pacific Island and musical dance in Melbourne.
Not identify as Polynesian at all. The members of the team, however, consider...
Did you find that maybe the ages of communities impacted that? Like some communities have been there for like 70, 60 years.
Affect what is included and what is excluded. And our work as researchers is to try and get a better and a holistic picture.
Early for morning tea, but I don't care, I'm just going to wait for it.